Welcome to a new vlog, guys.
Yes, and today is all about you if you have a green fingers or not. So the beginning of this day is all about to plant a new type of plant today. So we need to give back to earth. So here we're gonna plant some of the amazing Thai type of earths. I was thinking it was a tree, but instead it's like, yeah, like I want to say like Thai basil and what was it? Thai.
Got like organic.
Yeah, organic.
Yeah. What do you call it? Thai basil and
Salad.
what's the other word?
Oh, it's
yeah,
salad. Salad.
Yeah. Different things you can eat. Wow, I love it. So here you can see like people have done already with their own sign, like notes. So it says like be happy, all love. How cute.
That's cute. So let's begin with that before lunch.
Button.
Button first?
Mm.
Yes. Plastic and the first you can put the soil inside.
Yes.
Inside this.
Oh, inside this one.
Yes.
Oh, so this is for the water,
Yes.
later say,
Yes.
like here.
Cool. Nice. Thank you so much.
So you fill it up 80%. So
Yeah, 80%.
80%.
This is
a little bit more.
yes, a little bit more.
Like this?
Yes, our concept want to put this one for plant some vegetable.
Oh, yeah.
This is organic vegetable, and after it's growing, I will take in this to kitchen, our kitchen.
Ah.
For everything is to make sure don't have a chemical. For example, it's this soy from Silawadi farm. In the morning on the breakfast, just when you eat the melon, that is from Silawadi farm. So sweet and don't have a chemical, organic
wow.
fruit and vegetable. Oak, red oak, and green oak. Just you can put salt more.
A bit more?
Yes.
I need a little bit more.
Yes. And you can take this one on the floor.
Yes.
This is easy for you. Yes.
Or even
Yes. And this.
first, yeah.
And after that, I will put in this one more. This for you is easy.
Oh,
And in this one too. Okay, that's it.
amazing.
Watering.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Are you coming back for this one?
Now we're gonna write a note or something,
Yeah.
like some love. Hey guys, what should I write?
And for you.
I'm really. Thank you. Okay guys, now I put the word and I'm gonna put it in the plant. So here we go guys. Look how cute. Please. Okay, I don't want to drop it. Don't drop it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm done.
It looks like your has been growing much faster.
Yep. I talked to him and told him like you need to grow. You need. I'm gonna be gone now. You need to take care of yourself. He's like, okay, I'll be a man. So this side, yeah, yeah.
It also pink.
Yes.
So now we did the planting. Do you call it? No, you. How do you say it?
Plant. We planted.
Now we planted. I think so.
Yeah.
Planted a seed, and now we got welcome drinks.
I would say mine was like a mini tree.
Mini tree, yeah, yours was really nice. Beautiful. So cheers, guys. Cheers. What
Oh,
is
wow.
it? It's
This
like
well needed.
apple, strawberry.
Yeah, this is like
and, orange.
not a lemonade, but it's like juice, like a tropical juice.
Yeah.
But well needed with like ice.
So yesterday they actually knocked on the door and they gave us like an invitation for this plant activity. So I think that was really cute. It was like yesterday evening, night almost, yeah. So cute and so thoughtful. I love it. So yeah, here's the view by the way. Cheers! And guys, we also got, I have no idea what this is. It's matching your shirt.
It's like a pancake. This looks like a pancake.
Oh wow! In the middle is so soft. They're cooking it here. Hello. Swadika. What is this? It's
pancake local pancake
ah local pancake.
I
What's
told
that?
it's just a pancake.
What's the ingredients?
ingredient เป็นมีอะไรบ้างเขาเรียก powder egg
powder egg and coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Secret ingredients. Looks amazing. Wow. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was really good. Pancake, but orange pancake. Never had it before.
I was thinking it was.
amazing.
I knew like they would put coconut, and I was thinking it was like carrots, but maybe not.
I don't know, powder something.
Maybe carrot powder. Something.
Yummy. Very cool, colorful. 10 of 10. Wow. So now we are having lunch at the restaurant right in front of this planting activity, but also the beautiful sea. Yeah. So let's go inside and try their Thai food. One coconut a day keeps the doctor away. Remember? So here is our first coconut of the day. I think it's so important to drink a lot of juices and water when it's so hot outside. We still get like some sunstroke. Yeah.
Heat stroke.
Heat stroke. It's easy to get heat stroke during like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So now we're gonna go for lunch and yeah, we're waiting for the food. Are you ready for food, babe?
Yes. Yes. And yes. And yes.
What do you do, babe? You have another.
I have a mic.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
this one avocado on toast
Yes.
madam
Oh wow.
because
I can put this soup here.
oh yeah enjoyค่ะ
Wow.
Thank
Thank you so. Look at the avocado toast. This is a new level.
This is tall. I think they put like 2 avocado there.
This is a lot. Yes, for sure.
I love it's a starter. Always starter.
This is a starter. This is the biggest starter I've seen. And we have some mango salsa. And I took
Soup.
vegetable soup, classic something the name was, yeah. And what did you take?
I take the tom yum goon. The that means like the tom yum soup with shrimps.
Oh wow, looks amazing.
It's really really good.
And coconut coffee, or
And
no?
no, caramel coffee.
Caramel coffee, best. So let's eat. Now we have had the most amazing lunch, and we did the planting, and I'm by myself because Kalle went back to the house earlier. He got so, I would say, food coma. Yeah, so I was by myself like the last 20 minutes drinking my decaf and now I'm heading back as well. I just found this poster, In Villa Barbecue. So you can actually get a private chef creating your own barbecue in the villa. And you can eat meat and seafood. Wow. Oh my god. That looks nice. Look. That's so cool. Hi. Swadika. Okay, am I right? Yes. It's quite hard to find here. It's so big and so many villas. You know, guys, it's 44 villas in this area, and I think it was 40 or 50 apartments also. So you don't need to have like a villa. You can stay. Sorry guys, I'm tired. You can stay at the cute apartments as well. But look, guys, so beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment and share the video if you want as well. And we will see you in the next vlog, and have a really nice day. Oh wow, this was hard to walk. I need to work out more running, but yeah. So have a really nice day wherever you are, and we will see you in the next vlog. Bye guys!